InVideo Studio versus InVideo AI contrasts two powerful video creation tools. The AI-driven simplicity of one and the detailed customization of the other. This comparison aims to highlight which tool aligns best with your video production goals, whether you're quickly generating content or intricately crafting videos with a personal touch. Explore the key features and benefits that distinguish each platform, helping you find the ideal solution for your creative needs. First off, InVideo AI. This tool represents a leap forward in video editing technology, simplifying the video creation process through the power of artificial intelligence. It is designed to cater to users seeking efficiency and simplicity, enabling the creation of videos through straightforward English prompts. The hallmark of InVideo AI is its automation capability. It leverages advanced AI algorithms to understand user intentions from text inputs and translates these into professional-looking videos. This feature is especially beneficial for users looking to produce content swiftly without delving into the nuances of video editing. Creating a video with InVideo AI can be both efficient and engaging thanks to its AI-driven platform. Here's a simplified step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process, making video production accessible to everyone, regardless of prior experience. Step 1. Define your video concept. Begin by clearly articulating the concept of your video. This includes the main idea you wish to communicate, any specific messages, and the overall tone or style you envision. Being precise in this step helps InVideo AI generate the most relevant suggestions. Step 2. Log in and input your description into InVideo AI. Navigate to the InVideo AI and log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, simply visit freeinvideo.com or follow the link in the description below to sign up. Once logged in, find the section where you can input your video description. Type in the details of your video concept as defined in Step 1. This description acts as a guide for the AI to understand your requirements. Step 3. Review AI suggestions. After processing your input, InVideo AI will present you with a range of themes, layouts, and elements that align with your description. Take your time to review these suggestions. They serve as a foundation for your video, influenced by the AI's understanding of your input. Step 4. Customize your video. This step allows for creativity and personalization. Adjust the AI suggestions to better fit your vision. This could involve changing themes, tweaking layouts, or adding and removing specific elements. The platform offers a straightforward interface for making these adjustments, ensuring the process remains user-friendly. Step 5. Finalize and export. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, review your video to ensure it meets your expectations. Pay close attention to the flow, visual appeal, and overall messaging. InVideo AI provides tools for final edits and tweaks. When you're ready, export your video. The platform supports various formats and resolutions, making it easy to share your creations across different channels. InVideo Studio, on the other hand, is tailored for users who prefer having control over every aspect of their video. It offers a wide range of templates, text boxes, animations, stickers, and overlays, making it a versatile tool for creating customized videos. With its extensive template library and editing tools, InVideo Studio allows for a high degree of customization. Users can select templates that fit their project's theme and then modify elements to suit their specific needs, from text placement to animation timing. Creating a compelling video with InVideo Studio is straightforward and allows for high customization. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to craft a video that captures your vision. Step 1. Log in and choose your template. Navigate to InVideo Studio and log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, simply visit freeinvideo.com or follow the link in the description below to sign up. Once logged in, browse through the extensive library of templates. Choose one that aligns with the theme or mood of your video. Step 2. Customize text. Once you've selected a template, click on the text elements to edit them. You can adjust the font, size, color, and positioning to match your message. Step 3. Add media. Enhance your video by adding images or video clips. Drag and drop your media into the designated areas or use the platform's library for high-quality assets. Step 4. Apply design elements. InVideo Studio offers a variety of design elements such as stickers, shapes, and icons. Utilize these to add visual interest and communicate your message more effectively. Step 5. Animate objects. Add animations to objects for dynamic effects. Select the object you wish to animate and choose from a range of animation styles to make your video more engaging. Step 6. Fine-tune your video. Take the time to review your video. Adjust timing, transitions, and effects to ensure a smooth flow and maintain viewer engagement. Step 7. Export and share. Once satisfied, export your video in the desired format and resolution. Share your creation on social media, your website, or directly with your audience. Now let's see how the videos turned out.
In the vast tapestry of our world, there exist places untouched, paths untrodden. These are the world's hidden.
As you can see, both tools did a great job in creating visually appealing videos. But when comparing InVideo AI with InVideo Studio, the choice largely depends on the user's needs. InVideo AI is best suited for those requiring quick, efficient video creation with minimal input. It's ideal for creating content like explainers or social media posts where time is of the essence. On the other hand, InVideo Studio is tailored for users seeking deeper customization and control over their videos. It's suited for projects where branding and specific design elements are paramount. Both InVideo AI and InVideo Studio operate on subscription models, requiring separate subscriptions. When considering which platform to choose, users should weigh the features offered against their specific needs. Those looking for quick content creation might find InVideo AI a more cost-effective solution, while users in need of detailed customization may see more value in InVideo Studio. Choosing between InVideo AI and InVideo Studio depends on what you want from your videos. InVideo AI is quick and easy, perfect for fast projects. InVideo Studio lets you control every detail for customized videos. Both are key to the future of video making. Interested in learning more about InVideo Studio and InVideo AI? Don't miss the next recommended video.